Welcome to the English Riviera.
We stayed at the new Hotel Indigo in Torquay and so took a couple of walks in the surrounding area. Here's what we found. We must admit the road into the harbour was busier than we expected. However, there are opportunities to take yourself away from the road along the way.
Everywhere has Livermead as their name.
Yeah, it's quite pretty when you look here.
Yeah.
There's nice little viewing spots to sit by the sea if it's a dry day. And look at these beach huts.
So it's been raining quite on and off all day. So, you know, it's May, the middle of May, and the weather's been quite not very brilliant. I've got a coat on at the moment because it's quite chilly, and as you can see, like, there's hardly anyone on the beach, and the people's like beach huts are like on stilts because I think as the tide comes in so much that it probably needs to be on stilts to stop them getting all wet and soaked inside with their belongings inside. Oh, you can hire that one.
It's from £15.
Oh, that's good. What's the marks on it?
No. Is that from like knockings into stuff?
That's interesting, isn't it?
This is a bit of Torquay they've improved as well at the seafront with some restaurants and bars. It's nice with the palm trees.
Really nice, yeah. Where's the Gran Canaria?
Yeah.
That's the ones they had there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like pineapples.
Masterpieces from the London National Gallery are now on display in Torquay, running until the 5th of September 2026. The exhibition runs from the Torre Abbey all the way to the harbour, so we'll show you some more later.
More fish and chips, and then cafe and theatre. So this is where you can catch the Brixham ferry. Welcome to the English Riviera.
Yes, it's very nice here.
Yeah, the
It's
sun
like
is shining.
The sun always shines here.
Yes.
It never rains.
No, hasn't been raining earlier at all.
No. And it's almost a bit French feel to it. Look at this pier. It's got sort of French inspired like gilding and lamps.
It's May at the moment, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Having a stroll.
Bit of like evening sunshine on our faces.
The next morning the rain was back. It's always worth packing a change of outfits here. We made the most of it and took a look at the marina.
That one's only 135,000.
That one looks like it's in Greece. The buildings are quite nice if you look at them.
They are, yeah.
You can tell they've done like the paving.
And there's more to come, with plans to restore the pavilion to a cultural and heritage venue. On our way to Torre Abbey, we took a look at Torquay from the past.
Everyone looks quite old fashioned for like rare suits or dresses.
Oh look, red hot poker.
Quite nice. It's got Wild West.
Thinking it was bomb up.
What are you looking at?
I think it's sweet with the little legs.
Yeah, little legs are bobbing along.
It's interesting having like the Abbey right next to the sea.
Yeah.
Founded
as a monastery.
It's quite clean, isn't it? And
Yeah, not too bad. Look at the greenhouse. Look at the flowers inside.
the pink ones. Yeah.
and also the ones really high up.
Oh yeah.
We had a nice day and there's still plenty more to see in the area. Click the video at the top left to see where we stayed, or check out our other adventurous on the right.